All right, so I'm going to show you another software that has screen recording ability. And let me find it. It's called Snagit. That's Snagit. And with this one, you get this ability to take pictures. You get this kind of editor here, where this is really not the editor. This is the, I don't know what you call it. But anyway, you can size up how much of the screen you want to take a picture of. So there you go. And then you have this editor that everything comes into. You can see all of the previous items that I've been working on that are inside of my editor. So that was another sample I did the other day when I was looking at setting this up. So that's the picture there. And that is a separate object. You see the orange one is the screen capture operations. And then this blue one is the editor. And this is a really nifty editing area. You can do a number of things with it. As far as editing up your pictures, I use this for a lot of my thumbnails. A number of the ones that you might see on the page right now recently might have been from here. So before we get into that, this is a way in which you can record video as well. Even some of the videos that I record for my channel, uh, I use this video capture. So you go from images down here to video. You can set whether you're on camera with the video or not. So I have mine off. So you see it's not showing me. If I had it on, it might show me down here in the corner. Um, so right now we're going to do video. You can also set these other items here, whether your microphone's going to be on or not. Oh, I just thought about it. Okay, no, this works. I'm using a different software. The microphone, my USB microphone doesn't work well. It doesn't read it or doesn't pull it in at all with this application here, but I'm using another one to do the recording of this Snagit application. But the one I'm recording with does does respond to my USB microphone. But if I was using Snagit to do audio recording, I would just only be able to use my computer's microphone. It does not recognize the USB plugged in microphone. So how do we get a good video capture? If I was doing a YouTube video, I would take this. I would probably open a video. Maybe I'll do that in a moment. And then I would put this around it. And now I can record. So we'll see here once I start recording. And same thing here. I could show myself in the corner. If I wanted to do record on screen and show myself as a circle, I could cut on this camera. I'm going to keep it off. So I have the microphone on. So it's recording once I speak into my computer mic more closely, but it's not picking up what I'm doing through. It's not going to pick up what I'm doing through this USB mic. That's only for this other application that I'm using to demonstrate Snagit. So then you hit recording. You're going to get a countdown, and now it's recording a video. If I go to my channel, here's my last video on ShareX. If I open that, it'll probably no, it doesn't want to play from there. Let's try it again down here. It's doing something with this X on screen. I'm not sure what that's about. Let me figure that out and come back to this video. Oh, before we do that, I want to show you once I stop, hit play. All right, so you see it's playing in here. We can save. I'll show that stuff in a minute. Let's take a commercial break right here to like and subscribe. If I'm adding value to you, definitely like the video up and subscribe to come back for more. I do a number of these types of videos, also doing a lot of movie reviews. So check out the channel, like and subscribe. So we are back to this, and I wanted to show you that once you stop the video, and there's a difference also between stopping a video and canceling the video, and I'll show that with the recording app of the Snagit again. But here with the editor, once you've completed your video and your video shows up here in the editor, you can also save it to a file folder just like you save anything else. You come here, click Save As, matriculate to the folder you want to save it in, and you have that video available for your upload or whatever else you want to do with it put it into an editor that does a more detailed editing than what this can do. I don't do much with video editing here. I do use it for picture editing, but I save from here and edit in a different software, which I may demonstrate in the future. The one I'm using right now to do this screen recording, which is Clipchamp, which comes with Windows 11. Was it Clipmate? Clipmate, I think it's called. Whatever. Not looking at that application right now. So, um, yeah, so let's do another video recording to demonstrate what we're talking about. First, we'll go back here and open one of my videos. We'll open the ShareX video. That's all my content. So I don't have to worry about copyright or anything. So what I would do for this is um, use the ability to capture the screen and put my borders right around the YouTube video that I want to capture, for instance. And then you can just record um, like so. So it'll do the countdown. While it's doing the countdown, I can hit play, get the video going. So it's recording. I don't. I think this should be picking up the screen audio and my microphone. But now it is not allowing me to do stuff. Okay, that's fine. So what I wanted to show you is, so you can pause the video. Um, I want to do something to. It's not giving me my cursor where I can stop this video. I don't know what. Hold on, did it just do it? Nope. All right, this is distracting my video. I'm going to stop and come back in. Stop the clip, mate. All right, I figured out what's going on. It's these new screen editing tools. So let me show. Let me see if well, it's not showing them now. Oh, okay. It's not going to show it this way. Yeah, you guys can see it. I forgot. I've got the whole screen showing. So here it is right here. This screen editing tool. That is what was preventing me when that's clicked on. This is new, so I'm just now learning about this as I'm going. So that's a new thing. Um, I just so I can like draw arrows on my on screen if I want to point to what I'm talking about while I'm doing the video. So that's interesting. Wonder what else it could do. These are some new things to play with and learn more about. Okay, I guess I can number item 1 and item 2 on screen. So that's some interesting things you can do with video on here. So what I wanted to show you was I paused the video that I was recording, the Snagit video. And what you can do right now, you could stop the video by hitting with this, what is obviously a stop button from your old radio VHS. Or even on a Blu-ray remote, 4K remote, this is the stop sign and what it looks like. And so my audio stopped working. My mic, it died. I'm just now realizing that in editing. So now I'm having to go back in here and edit over some audio while I watch the video, try to remember what I was talking about. Because this was last night that I'm now realizing this today during editing. All right, so let me try to remember what I was talking about here. Okay, I want to show you when you click the X button, you have the resume and you have the cancel. And this cancels the video. It will not save the recording. You hit the stop button to stop it and save your video. That stops it. Clicking that one button stops it to save the video. If you click the X, that ends the video and it doesn't save it. It just cancels it. But here, when you save it, it comes into this editor. When you hit the stop button, it will render to the editor. And then once you're in this editor, you can, let's see if I'm going to do that. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know where the cursor went or what I was talking about this time, but you can go to the file and do a save as. So what was I back over here talking about? I guess who knows? Let me pause this and move forward and clip out some of the video. Back now. And so I've figured out what was going on. So now, after I clipped out part of the video, what we're doing here is showing when you do a screen capture to record, how you can use these other tools in the top left corner. This is a new feature. And as I was doing the video, I was just figuring out how this feature works. And that's why earlier I couldn't click on the video because my cursor was captured by these live video editing tools. So that's something new to Snagit. Maybe we'll get into that in a future video. I'll learn more about using those, but you can see what was able to draw a box on screen, was able to draw an arrow, and there's some other features it looks like that are new to Snagit. And I had seen them on the screen before, but it hadn't interfered with me using it. It's just something that's newly come up, so I haven't tried it before. And we'll take a look at that maybe at some time here in the future. But in the meantime, if you'll like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I really appreciate you supporting the channel. We're doing a number of videos in this screen recording, how to editing video software type of thing, and also do movie and television reviews. If you want to check out the channel, please do like and subscribe. Thanks.